Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best in its class, the Cuisinart TOA-70 Air Fryer plus Convection Toaster Oven. I'm excited to take you through its features, performance, and everything you need to know before you decide to make it a part of your kitchen. Let's get started. The Cuisinart TOA-70 is not just an oven, it's a versatile cooking companion. Boasting an impressive 1,800 watts of power, it combines functionality with style, encased in sleek stainless steel. What sets the TOA-70 apart is its 8-in-1 functionality. It's not just a toaster oven, it's your go-to for air frying, convection baking, broiling, grilling, and even keeping your meals warm. Whether you're toasting a quick breakfast or air frying crispy chicken wings, this unit handles it all with ease. Designed with practicality in mind, the TOA-70 features a spacious interior that can toast 6 slices of bread, bake a 12-inch pizza, or even roast a whole chicken. The stainless steel construction not only looks sleek but also ensures durability. Using the TOA-70 is a breeze. It comes equipped with an adjustable temperature dial, a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and a toast shade selector for that perfect golden brown every time. Cleanup is a snap too, thanks to its non-stick interior and included dishwasher-safe accessories. Now, let's talk performance. With its rapid air technology, the TOA-70 delivers crispy, evenly cooked results without the need for excessive oil. It's energy efficient too, making it a smart choice for those looking to cut down on cooking time and electricity bills. Wrapping up, if you're looking for a kitchen appliance that can do it all without compromising on quality, the Cuisinart TOA-70 Air Fryer plus Convection Toaster Oven is a standout choice. Its combination of functionality, ease of use, and stellar performance makes it a worthwhile investment for any home chef. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!